He loves me. He loves me not. He loves me! Joining me here under the sea for my Ariel inspired makeup tutorial. The Little Mermaid happens to be my all-time favorite Disney movie, so I really wanted to make this extra special by recreating some of the scenes from the movie, which was so much fun to do. Make sure you check out my Instagram to see some of the behind the scenes stuff. And yeah, let's get started. Since Ariel has blue eyes, I'm wearing these circle lenses by Oh My Kitty for you. So now I'm going to do foundation, and for this I'm going to be using the absolutely stunning Ariel Chest and Dingle Hopper set by Spectrum. And let's just take a moment to appreciate the amount of effort that Spectrum put into this, because I mean, just look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? It's definitely something you would find in Ariel's cave for sure. You have lots of room for makeup inside, and then you have these gorgeous oval brushes that are based on the Dingle Hopper, which is such a clever idea. Humans use Dingle Hoppers to eat with, but we know what they're really used for: makeup and hair. So I'll try and explain this experience as well as I can. It's like cuddling a bunny, basically. So soft. Apply some concealer, and then I'm using one of the smaller oval brushes to blend it. Now I'm just going to use this brown eyeliner just to draw a new crease a bit higher than my natural one, and I'm going to do it in a quite a roundish shape. And then just smudging it a bit. Kind of blending it upwards, making it look like part of the eyeshadow. Now to create my eyes, I'm mainly going to be using another brush set, which also is so beautiful by Spectrum, which is the Ariel Shell brush set. So they used Ariel's colors to create these brushes. It's red on the top to represent her hair, and then it's like a glitter, which is like green and purple to represent her tail and her shell bra. Apply a light color eyeshadow to your lid and below your eyebrows. Then I'm using color Sandbar from this gorgeous Tarte Cosmetics Mermaid eyeshadow palette using the A12 brush. So now I'm going to use black gel eyeliner by Inglot in 77, and I'm going to draw my eyeliner, and I'm going to do it thin to start with, up quite thickly, and then thin it down, and then slightly wing out. I'm now going to make my eyes bigger cartoon-like, and I'm going to start with using a white kohl liner in the inner and outer corner of my eyes. And then I'm just extending it down a bit. And then I'm going to use a kohl liner in the same color as my lenses in the middle. So the white makes the eyeball look larger, and the blue makes the iris look larger. I'm then using NYX Inner Eye Brightener in linen below it. It's a pale pink color. Then I'm using the same eyeshadow as earlier to draw a shadow below the pink. Kind of drew the pink kind of quite straightish, so I'm just kind of gonna follow that line. This is also a technique that gives the appearance of larger eyes. I'm using dark brown gel liner Inglot in 90, creating a new bottom line slightly further down, and then I'll be applying bottom lashes to it later on. So before I do my lashes, I'm just going to quickly do my eyebrows. She has kind of quite a roundish face. She has kind of a quite... I lost the ability to speak, just like Ariel. What I was trying to say was that she has quite a roundish shape. Apply some concealer to sharpen the shape. Now I'm just gonna curl my lashes out on the outer corner just to help the fake eyelashes just lift a little bit extra. I'm gonna use this one. Obviously it's mermaid themed as well. So when you just want to do the outer corners, you just look sideways. The lashes I'll be using are Inglot 95N. And to apply to my actual lashes, I'm going to use this Too Faced Bet Sex waterproof mascara. I thought the waterproof one looked a bit more under the sea because it's got loads of water drops on it, which is really cool. Under my eyes, I'm going to use these lashes, which are really cheap. It's only like $2, and you get loads of different under lashes, and I'm going to use these ones. And now the real glamour begins. One of Ariel's signature features are her ultra white teeth, so I'm going to use Maron white tooth paint to get the effect. And now for some contouring, I'm gonna mix Bobbi Brown foundation stick in Alabaster with TV stick in white. Oh, Sacre Bleu! As Chef Louise says, which actually isn't a swear word in French. FIY. For the contouring, I'm using the smallest oval brush for precision. So Little Mermaid has a bit of a jaw that goes in more than mine, so I'm just using contouring to try to achieve that. She has quite a small nose, so I'm going to give myself a bit of a button nose. It looks really cute anyway. It's MAC eyebrow pencil in Lingering, with a highlighter on the tip. Now I'll be using this perfect looking peachy pink blusher by Tarte Cosmetics. Last but not least, Ariel's signature red lips. I'm using MAC lip liner in red. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. It was so much fun to make. Make sure that you look at my Instagram to see some behind the scenes stuff. And as I said, The Little Mermaid is my favorite Disney movie, so comment below with an emoji that represents your favorite Disney movie, and I'm gonna try and guess which one it represents. Make sure that you subscribe if you haven't already by pressing the subscribe button so you can see all my future videos, and in that case, I will see you next time.